point, we're here in Katy, the Cypress, technically.
Cypress, Texas. The first of 5 Houston area Goodwill bins.
Yep. We did check on the website. Didn't say anything about not filming, so we'll see if we get accosted when we walk in.
We might have to take the cameras back again. Hopefully not. This is more like our bins.
I see people with carts, but I don't see any carts.
And see, everybody's claimed the carts to use as their storage piles. What's that? Oh, is this a plate? Oh, look at that fancy plate. Look at it. Look at it. It's like a dragon and stuff.
Fancy.
Oh, what's this? A bag of random sports cards and pokey cards and I don't know that there's anything great in here. I might could get it just based on weight. Like just get the ones I want. I'll look at them.
Here's a Noah Tags cabbie. Cabbie just doesn't do that well, but it's new with tags. It says it's from the outlet. I don't know.
It's up to you.
Look for somebody to bring a cart back in, for these people that are checking out, and then let's run up and get it.
It's a card. Yeah.
Can I take it? I think.
All right, cart.
Oh my God, honey. Honey, look. Original jams. That's so cool. So this is stuff we're looking at in here?
This is our just, we're gonna sort through all this at some. You missed the doll club. Look, you missed a little dolphin.
It says it's made in Mexico, a little kid's dress.
It's cute.
Where's the risotto?
The what, Thomas? Starbucks shirts? Huh? Starbucks shirt? A Starbucks shirt. I know, it's one of those things. Huh?
I'm gonna get those for myself. Oh, boo-hoo, nobody wanted this skirt. Stitch Fix. Sometimes it's good to look up these because these retail for a decent amount. I grab that.
I'm pretty much just picking up stuff that seems like quality. I'm not even really looking at what it is.
Okay, I hate you so much, Shein, but this is so cute. I might pick this up for myself.
Oh. I was like, Shein's worthless. What do you mean for you?
Yeah, look how cute that is. You know how I love the rainbow. I can taste it.
I'm glad about I thought this blanket looked really cool. You know, it seemed fancy. It's mandatory. Jeffrey B.
Ritter pillar? Oh, he's missing his ears. Oh, what happened to you? Who did this to you?
I can't hear you. Hey, honey, look at this. And look at the back. What do you think of that?
Maybe, yeah, it was really worn, but we could look it up.
Well, I mean, the graphic and stuff isn't worn off, though. I think it's just that color. I don't think it's white. There might be a stain on the front, but, you know. Oh, gibbet. Hey, honey, I found a gibbet. I found a gibbet.
Now that's. Spring 23. I'm gonna grab that one.
I didn't look through that one. I said I'd go the next one. Now that I've looked through those, I can throw this stuff that way. Oh, look at that vintage ugly blouse. You look at it. I found some men with some like. Ooh, a Whataburger t-shirt. Medium. It's your size. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want it? I mean, for you. I was like, if it's large, I'll just keep it. She's the one who teaches people languages, right?
What?
Isn't she the one?
Oh, soft surroundings.
Isn't she the one that teaches people languages?
I found a soft surroundings.
A what?
Soft surroundings.
I don't know what that
It's a popular brand.
is. I would keep an eye out for soft surroundings. We got lots of comping to do.
And it's in a plus size.
We got lots of comping to do. Lots of. This says, okay, take a look at this. It's new with tags, and the tag says $88. You look and see what you think of that.
It says it retailed for $88 though. I'll look it up.
Please make sure they are in the red line and click on
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Honey, do you want me to get these? Hey, Kevin. Kevin, did you want me to get these?
Oh, look. Black Rifle Coffee Company sweatshirt. Grab this, the last minute.
It looks like people have this listed for about $10. I don't know. But
Costs nothing to
let's just
ship.
go for it.
Yeah, it's
Let's just
light.
go for it. What else did you get?
New in package IKEA. Looks like a little chef outfit.
Okay, go for it.
And then, I don't know about this.
It's just a little radio.
Little Radio Shack radio. Has the antenna.
I'll look at that.
Now, I don't know if it works because, you know, the batteries are dead and everything.
Does it have a model number?
Yeah. It is 12-587. And there's batteries, which I need to take out, but it's not corroded. So I'm going to guess it works.
I'm going to say that is a yes. That sells for about $70.
What? I mean, you can see there's some schmutz on it, but if it works, it really doesn't
Well,
matter.
yeah, actually, it's all over the place. It sells for around $50 to $70.
Really?
Yeah.
And the antenna is in and everything. All right. That was a good little run. I was going to put this little stuff all in here with the cards to kind of hold them. Nice. Black Rifle Coffee. Nice. So I picked up one of these little guys, and then Wendy right behind me found another like 5 of them. So that's awesome. That is a great lot right there. A little needlework. Perfect. Needlework ornaments. Nice. Look, while I was standing in the checkout, I found this cool patch. Oops. I'm not sure I got the total, so if you want to show the receipt, because it was hard to see. All right, what did we spend this time? $69. Nice. You can put it in here.
Oh, thank you. You got it. Thank you.